boys and girls, my name is Onyx, Wright. You are in my bedroom, and that makes me super, super jocular. That's another word for happy. The day before yesterday, in the town of Schmooster, there was a snowstorm, a blizzard if you will. It looked like this, and like this, and also a little bit of that, and that, and that. But we don't like to talk about that. It was very whimsical. So today, I'm going to tell you a story. It may or may not be true, and it may or may not be about me, the narrator. But it's not, because that's not how stories work. I'm telling a story about a girl named Onyx. The story is called When a Blizzard Fucks Up Your Shit, Fam. There was a girl in the town of Schmooster, and she was trying to make plans with friends for the next day. Yeah. Oh my god, so when are we going? Yes, okay, let's go tomorrow. Oh, come on, let's go tomorrow. Dude, it's 50 degrees outside. It's not gonna snow. What the fuck? And there hadn't been snow in weeks in Schmooster. Okay, there's like a 40% chance it's not gonna snow. There was not to be a snowstorm. Nothing was going to happen. Nothing was going to rain on her parade. Or so she thought. Onyx, this random girl went to bed that night very excited about her plans for the next day. She was excited because she did not have to spend all of her time on Tumblr like a big loser who only looked at things aesthetically pleasing, never to experience them for herself. But then, tragedy. Day. Today's the day I get to go out with friends! Yay! Friendship! Oh my god! Yay! Who's excited? I am! The sun is up and the day is new. I get to go out with friends No. What the fuck? Oh! Onyx awoke to find not a beautiful bright sunny day, but snow. Onyx, the random girl, angered by this, decided she was still going to make these plans happen. The plans were like the glue, if you will, and she was determined to make all her friends stick to it. Listen, we could still go out. We could still go out. You're a block away from the bar. Just walk there. I don't understand what...
I am in short sleeves. This is summer weather, okay? This is swimming pool weather.
But we could lose our friendship, and that's magical. You don't want to lose that.
Alright, I didn't mean it literally, okay, bitch? Okay.
No, I don't need this. I don't need this from you.
It's an sing it with me. It's an okay. Hello? Hello? Oh. Okay.
Fuck those bitches. Me and you, we're the real glue of this group. Okay, but it's like not that much snow. What do you even... Hello?
I have been sitting on Tumblr for so long. I really need some human contact tonight. Who's coming out? You coming out?
Hey! Hey, you! Of course I know your name!
What are you doing in Florida? Why are you there?
Look, are we gonna let Mother Nature shit on us for our entire lives? That's not how evolution works, okay? Alright, I know the news says blizzard, but like, take the B off of blizzard, and what is a blizzard? It's a lizard. Next, the girl decided she was going to write on her social medias and complain about the snow. That's what you should always do when there is a weather anomaly, or lack thereof. You should always complain about it on social media. Otherwise, no one else will know that it's happening. When none of your friends want to go out because they're all being wusses, the snow isn't even that bad. Fuck fake friends. Yes. Our last social media, Instagram. So she took a picture of a foggy window with a heart around it. Because if she was going to complain, she might as well get something nice out of it. Oh, look at my nice aesthetic picture of the snow. Oh, 30 likes. Oh, well, I do love the fans. By this time, Onyx's friends grew weary of her complaining. They said enough is it. We will have that fixed. Jeffrey, fix it. Call someone. Get them down here. After a while, the girl's friends, grew weary of her complaining, and they thought she was being a little twat, which she was. After Onyx's friends decided they would invite her, tragedy struck. See, Onyx did not think about when she went out in the snow without a shirt on to prove a point to a friend who could not see her. She literally could have lied, but she didn't. Not Onyx, the random girl. Onyx awoke the next day, not quite feeling herself.
Oh, stop contacting me. Oh, I hate everything. Oh, no. Oh, God, no. Hi, yeah, we're going out tonight. Yeah, no, I'm fine. I'm not sick. No, I don't get sick. It's dust, a lot of dust. We're gonna have such a good time. Yeah, no, it's gonna be great. What? No, I'm crying. I'm so excited. I'm crying with excitement. Okay, yeah, I love you. Oh, God. I feel like shit.
She was sick! And Onyx never got to go to her plans because, not Onyx. The random girl never got to go to her plans because she was annoying, and subsequently life kicked her in the boob and made sure that she got sick and never got to hang out with her friends. The end. Yay! Okay guys, thank you guys for watching that stupid ass video. I don't know what it was. So I decided to tell that story. It may or may not be true, it may or may not be about me. And thank you for watching, and have a good time. Have a good time. Goodbye, friends!
Don't that feel real funky, y'all?
I bet you thought I was reading a real story written by an actual author. Plot twist! There's nothing on the pages, it's blank!